You're not gonna get out of here.
I don't think so. This is Gaston.
Yeah, right.
This is about 2 feet of snow on the ground. And that's the rooster. That's our bird bath and bird feeder. And Gabby in the window. There are stairs there somewhere. That's our valley down there somewhere. Okay, I'm going to try to navigate down the stairs. Feeding the birds here for about the 5th time in 24 hours because the seed keeps getting buried. The roosters are mad. They haven't been out now in about 5 days. They won't come out. Hi guys. Hi guys, how you doing? How you doing, Chickie? How you doing? Hey Poppy. Hey Iris. Hey Tuna, how you doing? How you doing, Chickie? Yeah, I know. Here's the bucket of water. As you notice, nothing's coming out. We have to do this 2 or 3 times a day with the temperatures down around 20 or below. Here's what passes for our yard. It's out there somewhere. Here's the barbecue that we left out just in case we lost our power. I don't know that that would do us much good though. You can see the birdhouses there and 2 composters, believe it or not, that are about 3 feet high. And as you can see, they're just about done now. The garden